Today I'm going to be talking about the filters. One of the easiest yet most important tasks that will help ensure the efficiency of your air conditioner is to routinely replace or clean its filters. Clogged, dirty filters block normal airflow and reduce the system's efficiency significantly. If you're a person who supports recycling, there are some types of filters that are reusable, but others must be replaced. Filters must be disposed of every month or two during the cooling season, but some filter changes may need to occur more often in dusty environments or if you own fur-bearing pets. Along with filter changes, coils and fins must also be regularly maintained for the unit to function effectively and efficiently throughout the years of service. Failure to maintain these components may ultimately result to a steady decline of the unit while energy consumption steadily increases. If you have any questions or would like some recommendations on which filters are the best for your home, please give us a call at the number that appears here on your screen. Thank you for watching.